Hi, my name is Vianney Muhutu. I'm going to talk about our project. So, our project is composed by Vianney, as I said, Edwige Ngabire, and Joel Nyonga, who is shooting. So, I'm going to talk about how we have reached to our final product, which is a single usage plate. So, let us show you how we have tried to reach to this final product. So we have used different materials to reach to our product. So let's continue with giving details of the material we have used.
Thank you, Jean-Marie. The materials that we have used, first of all, we need a sample plate which has a shape of the plate that we want to make. We need a razor blade that we will use to cut our waste material, and we will also need a carton, because this project is all about turning something from what other people consider to be wastes. So cartons, when you buy a TV, when you buy a laptop, when you buy anything else that you need, it will be packed in a carton, and after taking off what you bought, cartons will be considered as waste materials. For our case, we thought of what can we turn from those cartons, especially those hard ones. That is how we came up with an idea of making single-use plates. How we do it is given the shape that you want to give to your plate, we took that simple sample plate which has a circular form, and then we place it to the carton, and then using a pen you draw the shape of the sample plate that you're going to use, and then using that pen you will give to that carton, which is considered to be a waste, the shape of that sample plate that you had. And then you will use a razor blade to cut the carton following the lines of the pen that you drawn on the paper or the carton. So you will use that razor blade to cut, and then at the end you will remove the sample plate, and then what we will have is something that has the exact same shape as that of the sample plate. If you try to remove that, you will have a sample plate which has a circular form. This can be used as a single use. Of course, as you can see, this is in carton. It cannot be used in our family homes for dinner or for lunch, but it can just be used for different parties. We know in weddings, in birthdays, they use those single plates when they want to serve cakes or different snacks. So you may see it and feel like it's not comfortable to eat, given you don't know even what came out of that carton. But how we thought of making it better is to put aluminium paper or foil on this carton, so that no one can know if it's really that carton, and then you will see that it's a plate which is covered by an aluminium paper or foil. So right now we don't have the aluminium paper, but if you can see this shape, of course the shape can change depending on what shape you want. You can give it another rectangular shape or a square shape, but for us, because we had a sample of a circle plate, that's why our plate here has a circle shape. So we will use the aluminium paper to cover it, and then you can use it to serve cakes or to serve different snacks in different parties. So our waste are not normally in the normal life, they are not waste, because there is always something that you can turn from them. For example, for our case, from the single carton that people consider to be useless, we turned into a single-use plate, which is not really a final product, because there is one last step which is missing from our phase, which is putting the aluminium paper or the foil, so that it can be like very well decorated and someone can feel very comfortable to use it. Thank you.
Placed gold on my finger. You brought love.